Hello guys, in this video we will learn how we can change the channel name of a YouTube channel. So what we can do here, first we need to go to this YouTube channel or channel, and we can do that by clicking on this your logo, and from there just click on here your channel, and then you will come to this screen like home screen of your channel. And from here we need to click on manage videos, and once we will click on manage videos, then it will open YouTube studio basically. So here you can see you like all the channel contents will be available. So here at the left panel here you can see, which I can scroll down. So just below this we have a settings here. So now we need to click on settings, and once I will click on this setting, then here we need to click on the channel, and here at the channel you can see here it is showing the channel name, and from here you can see it's written to edit the channel name, visit your Google account. So I will click on this Google account link, and from there I will come here. But here you can see its name is different because at the left, like my default Google account is this, so I need to switch to my brand account. So to switch the brand account we need to click on this. So I have clicked my brand name here, and from here you can see it is showing like oktests.com, which is my channel name. So here by clicking on this edit button you can change the channel name. Okay, so but I will not like change the channel name right now because it is not appropriate for my purpose. So if you want to do the change, just do something here, write something, okay, and then hit the save button. Okay, so that's all what we need to do, and like this you can change the channel name easily from the Google, like from YouTube. So that's all guys in this channel, sorry, in this video. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thanks.